Sometimes a couple of changes is all you need to have a beautiful space. Maybe you are almost like 9% of the way and you just need to tweak it. In today's video, I wanted to share a couple of tips with you just in case you are somebody who is currently trying to decorate your space. You already implemented a couple of things and you stood back and was like, it's still not it. This is not how I want to have it. And it could be for a couple of reasons, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit more about that. So let's go ahead and get into it. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Tresha. I am your interior design strategist and coach, here to share design strategy to help you create a beautiful space that feels just like you. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with the first one, which is having small decorative items. Specifically, you have probably a lot of decorative items around. Honestly, you don't really need a lot to make a space look amazing. If you've watched HGTV or you have looked at a lot of magazines, you are on Pinterest, if you have seen a room that is styled by a designer, typically you will not see a lot of decorative items unless they have like a maximalist style. Typically, you don't see a lot of decorative items. I would scale back and decide on which items that you truly love and see if that helps you. If you have a coffee table that has a pile of magazines, maybe you don't need all of those magazines. Do you really want to see all of that? Or do you have like empty candle holders or candles that are laying on the coffee table? Maybe it's time to remove that. Or just decorative objects that you have randomly placed on the table or on your shelves. Take a look at those items and really assess whether you really need it in the space, or are you just placing them because it seems like it's a fit, but it doesn't look right. Sometimes, we have a tendency to hoard items, just because we have it. We have spent money in the past, but maybe it's time to rehome them. Maybe it's time to donate them. I feel like sometimes people tend to add more to the space when they feel like it's not the way they want. Maybe instead of adding to the space, maybe it's time to remove some of the items that may have been in the space for a long period of time. But I know for me, and I know a lot of people I have talked to in the past, I'll ask them like, hey, do you like this item? Do you want it in the space? And they're like, no, it's just there. Somebody else gave it to me, or I just didn't have another place for it, so I just put it there. Maybe the items that you're purchasing are too small for the space. That includes rugs, it could include a sofa, sectional, accent chairs, your lamps could be small, you might have a small coffee table. I would go ahead and measure out the pieces that are staying in your space and then find pieces that complement it and are in proportion with the pieces that you have in the space. So say you have a sofa that is like 40 inches high and then you purchase like accent chairs that are 28 inches high. That's going to look off. You may not like that look. Just go ahead and measure beforehand. Talk to the sales rep when you get to the store. Tell them the measurements and have them show you pieces that will look good with the size that you have in your space. Another thing that I want to address, your space may be having too many different styles. Your space may feel disconnected, and it might be because of the variation in design styles. A lot of times people do merge different interior design styles together, but there is a strategy to it. I would take a moment to see if anything is clashing. Do you have a lot of patterns going on? Maybe colors that don't really complement each other. I would really take some time to think about those things as well. Another thing that I also see is that people have a tendency to fill up space. Sometimes they feel like just because you have space specifically on the wall, that means that you need to have something there. Every little space does not need to be filled up, specifically on the wall. If you have a nice art piece, maybe you have collected it, you have commissioned somebody and you're hanging it up, it needs to have a moment. Sometimes having a lot of items beside the art piece or just too many, it kind of loses the interest and it's kind of overwhelming for the space. Sometimes a couple of changes is all you need to have a beautiful space. Maybe you are almost like 90% of the way and you just need to tweak it. If there's any design tips or tricks that you would like to share, just drop it in the comment section below. If you like this video and would like to see more, be sure to subscribe to my channel as well as like it and hype it. If you would like to join my free newsletter, I will put the link in the description box below. I would love to have you a part of my community. If you need more help on decorating your family room, I would suggest looking at this video next.